Soldiers allowed!
If my count is correct, if the record I have is correct, over 20 people have been killed within numbers of months. We are preparing for an election and not war. I have a lot of reports against this party and that party. I have listened to the Commissioner of Police, who even gave me a brief, and he said some people he's looking for are kept in government house. That is strange to me. Luckily for me, I mentioned this in the governor's office, and the governor replied that even if I found his child committing crime, I should arrest him. And those who have committed those other ones we mentioned, anywhere they are, the Commissioner of Police, you have my permission, you have my directive to continue to go after them.
Have been declared wanted in the last 2 years. We are boldly to say that they abide in the government house. One of them, Emir Ajagungbade, a notorious thug that is on the wanted list of the police. Another one, Nuruddin Alowole, another notorious thug that is on the wanted list of the police. Solo Iwara, another notorious thug on the wanted list of the police. Some were arrested when they are taken to court. I am telling you, IG, some of these dangerous guys are being released with the influence of the government.
We have been collaborating with security agencies in the state, and I'm happy to tell you that they have given us the amount of cooperation we need, and they have given us the assurance that we are going to have a safe and secured environment for the election. They have shown us the highest level of professionalism and synergy in their collaboration with INEC under the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security platform.
Ever since your emergence, and it has what has brought a peace and unity amongst our society and Nigeria as a whole. The Pro-Kakof initiative, it is what that perfectly aligns with our reforms and advocacies that we want to push on our campuses. We would appeal that you fully incorporate us as a body into this initiative, sir.